Hi guys, I'm Michael from Royal Flush Plumbing. Today I will be showing you the ProFit hole saw by Monument Tools. But first let me show you the Biometal hole saw for metal only. Now I will show you what it's like going through MDF 25mm. As you can see, it has started smoking, and you can see how long it actually taken me to get through this board. It probably would have been easier if I gave it a big clamp. Now we have the fun of trying to get the wood out of here. There we go. And remember not to touch the ends, it is very hot. So now I will show you the TCT Tip ProFit hole saw by Monument Tools, and I will be showing you the 20mm today. As you can see, that went through like butter. So now I will go through the MDF board and show you the difference. Got the clamps this time. So as you can see, that went through nice and easily. So you've got a nice bit of wood inside. Easiest way with this, there's a button just on the side here. Pull it back, push it in, pull it back, and just unscrew. Nice and easy, nice and clean. So now what I'll do is I'll show you how to change the bits on there. Push it out. Get a piece without dropping it on the floor. Slide it back in. Clips in nice and easy, and off you go again. as again, hold it in. Easy slots out, just like that. So as you can see, so much easier without me dropping all the stuff on the floor and even burning through the woods or even burning your hands. Thank you for watching. Please check Tool Talk for more reviews for tools tested and used by tradesmen. Thanks again, and remember, you cannot beat a raw flush.